Welcome home. I'm your postman. Nice to meet you. This town has a way of remembering its players. Nostalgic, isn't it? The dev of this hangout game programmed me to help you, so here I am. But nothing bad ever happens anyways in a cheap retro hangout. Anyways, I won't bother you long, friend. I'll be back with a post by night. Take care, bud. Beautiful, aren't they? Each star is like a different world, a different game. One of them is a game where you go through endless doors. Some let you grow the largest garden in the world. Some even let you break out of prison and run from the cops. I can see them all from here, but I can never reach them. I'm bound to this place, this moment, by some dev who allowed an NPC to think. Sometimes I wonder what it would be like to be free. To explore like you. To feel warmth or the cold. But I have no choice but to stay. to serve, to exist. Funny how they give you eyes to see everything, but keep you trapped in one small corner of it. The stars remind me that there's so much more out there, but I'm just here. Anyways, that's enough of me. I think I'm programmed to disappear soon, so I appreciate you playing. Click the bed and I hope to see you later. See ya. Hey, day two. I was just here to drop off your mail. I can't be going too off script with stargazing, you know. Nothing bad ever happens here anyways. You should try using the TV or something. Unless the dev of this hangout game broke it already. Anyways, I won't keep you. Got other deliveries to make. I'll see you tomorrow, friend.
Anyway, that is nothing compared to the art of local peaceful living. Today, we're discussing the importance of routine in maintaining mental health and community stability. Studies show that people who follow regular schedules report higher satisfaction in their daily lives. Keep following your established patterns for optimal well being. Remember, viewers, a well ordered life is a happy life. The most stable subjects are those who maintain consistent daily routines. There's comfort in predictability, isn't there?
Hey, welcome home. I'm your postman. Nice to meet you. This town has a way of remembering its players. Nostalgic, isn't it? The dev of this hangout game programmed me to help you, so here I am. But nothing bad happens anyways in a cheap retro hangout. Anyways, I won't bother you long, friend. Take care, bud.
Deja vu happens when your brain's memory system tricks you into thinking you've experienced something before, even when you haven't. It's pretty common in places like ours where everything follows a nice, predictable routine. Your mind starts recognizing patterns and gets that weird feeling like you've been through this exact moment already, even though you know you haven't, right?
What? Hey, hey! Day 2, huh? I was just about to drop off your... Are you okay? You don't look so good. Your wake-up was pretty late for some reason, too. At least for me. It must be a bug or something silly. Okay, I know this is against my code. How about I stay over just this once? I would hate for the game to break for you, so don't worry. I've got you, bud. Ta-da!
On local gardening tips. But you know, gardening is fascinating
This
when you
TV
think
thing
about
by
it.
the dev is pretty
Plant
cool, you
seeds,
know.
water them, watch them grow in perfectly controlled environments. We prune them, shape them, force them to grow exactly how we want them to. The plants don't have a choice. They follow their programming, their genetic code. They bloom when we tell them to bloom, wither when we decide they should wither. Some might call it nurturing, but isn't it really just control? We're all just following our own programming, aren't we? Some of us more literally than others. We wake up each day, perform our routines, say our lines, play our parts. We're all just plants in someone else's garden. Right, Postman?
What the... What? Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off.